Welcome everybody. This is the video for a Cupric chloride aluminum foil demonstration. So we're going to begin by pouring in 50 milliliters of water into the beaker, and then we're going to be pouring in 5 grams of Cupric chloride. I'm going to mix it up. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the initial temperature. I'm going to put the thermometer in there. I'm going to give it just a little bit of time to adjust. Looks like it is 18 degrees Celsius. 18 degrees Celsius. So now what I'm going to do, and again, don't forget to record your observations. I am going to add in 0.8 grams of aluminum foil. So I'm adding in aluminum foil, 0.8 grams. This is an increase from the 0.5 grams that we did in 8.1. And our goal is just to see if we increase the mass of an object, and this object or this substance is aluminum foil, will it have an impact on the amount of chemical energy released? So I'm looking for those bubbles again. I'm looking for the sizzling again. Will we have a temperature change, or will it be exactly the same? So I'm going to increase the surface area of the aluminum foil by cutting it up into some smaller pieces. And I'm going to mix it up. If I'm quiet, you can hear the sizzling. You can see the fumes coming off as well. You want to smell that? Waft it towards you. Don't just put your nose down there and take a big whiff. If we zoom in a little bit, you can see that it's a sizzling. So go ahead, start to record your observations. If you feel the outside of the beaker, it is really, really warm. What I'm going to do is I'm going to continue to mix it up a little bit. But I'm also going to put the thermometer in there. And you can see the thermometer. Let me zoom back out. See, the thermometer is shooting way up. So as you're recording observations, are you noticing, was this more than 8.1? Was it less than 8.1? If I added more aluminum foil, did it make a larger change? Was there more sizzling? Was there more fumes? Was there more bubbles, as you can see there? And it's still reacting. And we'll give the temperature another 30 seconds or so to adjust. Now, I can't zoom out far enough, but right now, if you want to record the temperature is 61 degrees Celsius. And once it reaches its peak, it will start to drop. The main part of the reaction is over. But if you listen, you can still hear it sizzling. If I zoom in, you can still see the bubbles. If I stir it some more, so notice we have these solid glumps. If I try and pick one out, you can see it right there. You can see parts of the aluminum foil. Let me put the thermometer in once more just to make sure. But I'm assuming the most of the chemical reaction has already occurred. Yep, it's not climbing nearly as fast and it's not nearly as high as it was. So go ahead, make sure you make good observations, record your data, and then go ahead and continue on with the lab.